Tofu?
Tofu.
Tofu is creamy and smooth.
Okay, some of you clearly have had your stomachs tested. Now, it's time for the real test. It's a test of your palates. It's time for the blind taste test.
Are you serious? My lips are numb and burning at the same time.
Red team, you have an extra player in your team to decide amongst yourselves who's sitting out.
I'll sit out because I smoked this morning.
Everyone standing here have all smoked cigarettes this morning. I guess Kimmy wants to watch other people compete.
Who's sitting out?
So I'm sitting out.
Kimmy decided to volunteer to sit out again. She's scared.
Okay, first up. Christina versus Brian. Let's go.
I've actually trained for this, but I didn't expect to have 1.5 pounds of wings in my stomach and all over my face and in my teeth at the same time.
Blindfolds on first. Thank you.
Chef Ramsay loves the blind taste test because it gives him a very good indication which of the chefs have a superior palate.
Good, headsets on.
It is the one challenge that has been in every season of Hell's Kitchen.
Brian, can you hear me? Christina, can you hear me?
And not once has any chef achieved a perfect score.
Let's get started.
Now, one chef from each team will go head-to-head in an attempt to identify 4 different foods.
First up, beet.
Beets.
Correct.
Come on, Christina.
Beets.
Well done. 1-1. Shallot.
Onion.
Onion. Wrong. Shallot.
Onion.
Wrong. Shallot.
I literally talked myself out of saying shallot. That was a tough one.
Let's make it a little bit easier. This is turkey. Come on.
Very dry turkey.
You gotta love Brian. You gotta just love him.
Tofu?
Tofu.
Tofu is creamy and smooth.
I know.
Turkey.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pineapple. Something to refresh the palate. Come on.
Pineapple, chef.
Well done.
Pineapple.
Well done. Headset off. Well done, well done, well done.
Good? All right, good job, Christina.
Well done.
Sorry about that, guys.
Christina, tofu?
Fuck that turkey.
Great start. Well done, both of you.
I know 3 for 4 is a strong performance. I get the team off to a very good start.
Next up, Barbie and Robin. Let's go.
Come on, Robin.
Come on, Robin.
I love competing against Barbie. I want to see when she just falls flat in her face. I think it's fun.
Grits.
Right? Cauliflower?
How do you get cauliflower from grits? Grits are so unique. I'm kicking myself right now because I set out.
Still 3-2.
After missing the first point, both chefs stumble on turnips
Pear? Carrot?
and sea bass.
So close.
Halibut?
Halibut. Damn.
Crab?
Crab. Still 3-2.
But they both have one more chance for a point with
Cilantro.
Gotta get this one.
Yeah, Barbie. Come on, Barbie.
Come on, Barbie. Come on, Barbie. Let's go party.
Come on.
Yeah.
Come on. Taste it, smell it. You can smell
Come
that.
on, Barbie.
Cilantro, come on. There's no way anybody can get this wrong. You can pretty much smell it from a mile away.
Barbie.
Know what it is. Come on, Robin. Know what it is.
Tarragon.
Tarragon.
What the hell are you talking about?
Come on, Barbie.
Wow.
Cilantro.
Cilantro.
That's cilantro? Robin gets a big, fat 0. Damn, my taste buds are off.
Barbie. Grits.
Doesn't taste like the grits I make at home.
Despite Barbie only getting 1 point, it was an important one.
We are all tied up, 3-3.